So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Gera The Crown Bhavdan, which is located near Chandni Chowk, Bhavdan, Pune and developed by Gera Developers. And now let's discuss about the below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Gera The Crown will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 2 podium plus 15 floors with 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK प्रीमियम रेसिडेंसेस. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और इसी के राइट हैंड साइड में ही रहेगा इसका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर चांदनी चौक, मुल्शी रोड, बावडान, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं, कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है आपको मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे विद इन 2.6 किलोमीटर, पौध रोड विद इन 3.4 किलोमीटर, आदित्य शगुन मॉल विद इन 3.8 kilometers. Coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like party lawn, kids play area, clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, mini theatre and many more. And now moving forwards towards the carpet area of the project, Gera The Crown has 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences, and 3.5 BHK is starting from 2074 square feet and 4.5 BHK is starting from 2564 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site. Also, our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schedules along with the location tour of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Gera The Crown Bhavdan, which is located near चांदनी चौक, भावडान, पुणे एंड डेवलप्ड बाय गेरा डेवलपर्स. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.